Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna install Debian 13 stable release. Let's get started. Let's hit the graphical install button and let's choose English as the system language and click on continue. And again, we need to choose the country, that is India. Let's click on continue. Then again, keyboard key map is American English. Continue. So it's loading the installer components now. The host name will be Mr. or Fox machine. Let's type that. Here the host name is single word and identifies that your system is to the network, and if you're setting up your home network, you can make up something here and give that as your host name. So we'll change the Debian host name to Fox machine. And we'll leave domain name as it is, which is not required until and unless it's for a server or something. And since we are setting up for home router, it gets fine. No need to configure for that. And let's select the root password. We need to enter a root password. Root password will create an account called root apart from the normal user. Then the name of the user, we need to type Mr. Fox and the username will be same as that. And let's choose a password for new user. So the password for the new user can be same as the root one or can be different, but if you want to use your new user as a sudo doer, you need to add to that sudo group. So there will be no problem every time you need to get into the root privileges and install an upgrade or install an application. Instead, you can directly add your username into the root or sudo group in the Linux system, which helps you to directly install, like sudo apt install something, instead of going to su hyphen getting into the root privileges and then installing anything which you require. So this would be more efficient and easy to use, and it doesn't become fuzzy every time you try to install something. So that thing will be a good option. So we need to enter the password and click continue, and it's configuring the clock and other stuffs, detecting this partition, everything. It's starting up the partitioner. So we'll go through the default option, that is guided use entire disk, and we need to click continue for that. This is a better option if you are starting with as a clean installer on our PC. It's a good option. We'll continue with that, and we'll choose our disk, continue, and all files in one partition, recommended for new users. That would be a better option, continue. And here it shows there is a R disk partitioning. Here, if you have an earlier Linux system something, we need to clean install, you can go to the click on that disk which you are currently want to install or running as a primary disk for installing OS, and click on continue. It asks for create new empty partition on this device. Yes, continue. And again, you can see here we have this free space. We need to click on that and click continue, And I would recommend you to automatically partition your free space for ease. If you want, you can create your custom partition. Click continue, and all-in-one partition is good. Continue and finish partitioning. Well, right changes to disk, right changes to disk, yes. So continue. It's installing the base system now. So after some time our base system will be installed. So we are coming to the end of the installation of base system, and the next we are gonna get is something related to the package. You can click on no. There is no extra installation media other than apt. Here it says now we have the option to scan additional media. These should be from the same as you set on hosted from. You have additional media, this step can be skipped. Okay, so now the active mirror from our country is India. Continue, and I would recommend Debian.org for better efficiency. Continue, and no need to configure HTTP proxy until and unless it's for a server. Continue, it's configuring the apt package manager, which is the best default Debian package manager. I would recommend because it's secure. So participate in the package survey. I would recommend no if you ask me, because I don't want to make my stuff reveal for the community developers also. Even though community developers doesn't spy on you and your data, but they want a survey that which application or package on the system is most used. So I don't want. If you ask me, I'll say no. If you want, you can say yes. That's also not a problem. So now it has come to the installation of the desktop environment. I want GNOME. You have got a lot of options here: XFC, GNOME, Flashback, KD, Plasma, Cinnamon, Mate, so on. I'll choose GNOME because I want GNOME. Let's leave this as default and continue. So now it's installing the software and everything. Let's give it a bit of time and have our time and pace. So it's cleaning up, and now it's installing the grub bootloader. It says to install the grub bootloader on your primary drive. Yes, continue, and let us select the retrieve disk. So almost the installation is getting finished. Our part of job is done. We are ready to use our DebianTrixie. Once we are done with rebooting after this operation, you will get an option for rebooting. You need to just click on continue button so that your system reboots and boots you into your very new window DebianTrixie. So let's click on continue. Here got the reboot window dialog box here. Let's click on continue. If you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.